Reef Money is a blockchain-based stage intended for DeFi and NFT. Reef is a truncation of solid, extensible, effective, and quick blockchain. The Layer 1 blockchain of Reef Life Partner is known as the Reef chain. Reef Coin is an Ethereum-based virtual machine viable brilliant chain explicitly intended for savvy contract. Existing applications can be ported from Ethereum to the Reef chain without adjusting its robustness code. Reef incorporates the best elements of decentralized finance. It is described by its low exchange expense, versatility, dApps, and no inefficient mining. DeFi is quickly developing, and it is on the grounds that numerous expert financial backers enter the market. The Reef coin has worked with a substrate structure, and it has on-chain administration. What's more, it works with designated resistant of stake agreement and best-in-class cryptography. The chain local area administers the Reef, and it is self-upgradable through local area chose specialized gathering. The Reef digital currency was established by Denko Manchesky in 2019, determined to improve on admittance to DeFi. Consequently, Reef gives a one-stop stage to admittance to Binance, Shrewd Chain, Torrential Slide, and Universe. This keeps away from the formation of various records and passwords. Not at all like other blockchain innovation. Reef permits the client to contract and work numerous chains from a solitary stage. The Reef environment totals chances of DeFi together. It comprises of the accompanying things. Right off the bat, a Reef application, which is a wallet and a symbolic maker. Thirdly, Reef check block Pilgrim to communicate with brilliant agreement conveyed in Reef. At long last, a Reef trade, which is a decentralized trade for Reef tokens. The Reef chain incorporates Reef 20 tokens and NFT. Liquidity spans for moving liquidity among Ethereum and Reef, DEXs, and AMMs for exchanging Reef 20 resources on decentralized trades, stablecoins, and currency markets. Defense unpredictability acquires revenue on stablecoin advances. Reef value history and specialized investigation. Reef cost today is exchanging at 1 cent with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $63,856,747.47. The all-out market cap is $208,443,600.23, with a flowing stockpile of 18,280,715,935 Reef. The everything time high was noted at 5 cents on Walk 15, 2021. And the record-breaking low was $0 January 13, 2021. Investigating the previous value information of Reef coin. It began exchanging on December 23, 2020. The everything time low is noted in the underlying days after its posting with Binance. Reef effectively exchanged the principal quarter of 2021. Very nearly multiple times. It was tried at the 5 cents opposition level and denoted an unequaled high in spring. From May 2021 onwards, a descending pattern has started in the coin, uncovered a disappearing negative energy, and costs sunk to 1 cent. Reef coin has moved sideways for the following quarter and afterwards started an up move once more. It was an exceptionally sluggish movement which denoted a medium-term high at 3 cents. Accordingly, bears hauled the value back to 1 cent. At this point, the coin is going after for a vertical pattern. Yet the market is weighty on the grounds that the volume isn't supporting the Reef cost rise. Volume is profoundly unpredictable, making ups and downs, and candles are blended for the beyond hardly any exchanging meeting. In outline, 6 cents is going about as a help zone for Reef, and the token has returned from the zone ordinarily. As of late, Reef has likewise tumbled to this level, began a pattern inversion, and stays weighty by the negative opinion. So it is important to do a definite specialized examination to realize how Reef will move temporarily. The current upswing regards the vertical pattern line. In the wake of exchanging major areas of strength for through business sectors, ADX tumbles from 40 to 26.71, and that implies the current move is decently bullish. Breaking down the help level and obstruction level information, it very well may be presumed that the quick opposition is set at 1 cent. Assuming Reef crosses this level, the following obstruction is set at 17 cents and afterward at 1 cent. A significant obstruction level is set at 2 cents. Examining a portion of the significant specialized pointers, the MACD line is settled over the sign line and reinforces the ascent. RSI is noted at 59.70, which is besides nonpartisan, yet the heading is bullish. Inspecting the EMA, Reef is crossed 200 EMA, while 20 EMA and 50 EMA are underneath it. Basically, market feelings are unbiased for the coin. Finishing up the specialized pointers, the MACD line is bullish, RSI and EMA levels are marginally bullish. By retracement and a pattern line actually demonstrate a vertical excursion left in the token for the present moment, not as long as possible. Since November 2021, the remedy is noticed. In the middle between there were slight recuperations seen yet again it fell. The digital currency market is advancing step by step, and more expert financial backers are entering the crypto market. Reef was a wise interest in 2021. and it gave a respectable return over last month and last week. High-level DEFI and brilliant agreements projects are normal and cutthroat in the blockchain innovation industry. Allow us to examine Reef digital currency cost expectation for long-haul speculation. Reef value conjecture 2022. The future cost of Reef is expected to start at 1 cent. Reef cost expectation shows that it might separate to 1 cent toward the finish of 2022. Reef value forecasts 2023. The Reef cost estimate for 2023 may start with a base cost of 1 cent and the most extreme cost of 1 cent. It is important to leave the standing firm on foothold according to the best crypto expectation. The future typical cost for the year might be 1 cent, which is exceptionally low contrasted with the ongoing worth. Reef figure 2024. Reef cost is supposed to start at a most extreme degree of 1 cent. Very much like the earlier year, sharp fall is normal, which might take the cost of Reef to 1 cent inside the principal half of the year. Further plunge might take the Reef cost to a base degree of 1 cent before the year's over. This implies all the return assumptions are lessened by time. Reef value forecast 2025. The future cost of Reef is negative, and 2025 is expected to start at 2 cents. There is a slight cost rise anticipated in the main quarter, however it is unimportant taking a gander at the final part separate. According to our Reef cost forecast, costs might hit 2 cents by the main half. The typical exchanging cost might diminish to 2 cents. And toward the finish of 2025, Reef might be looking at the zone of 2 cents. Reef value forecast 2026. According to our Reef cost forecast, the normal cost of Reef toward the start of the year might be 2 cents with a most extreme degree of 2 cents. Simultaneously, the base level is anticipated to be around 1 cent. Future Reef cost expectations show Reef cost expecting a descending excursion from the ongoing cost, which makes Reef not a wise speculation. It can't be viewed as a productive speculation for quite a long time. It is a decent purchase, a potential open door at the ongoing cost. However, just for the medium term. Long-haul valuation isn't persuading, so take appropriate monetary guidance prior to effective money management to add Reef to your ongoing speculation portfolio. Is Reef a wise venture? In light of Reef cost expectations, Reef may not merit putting resources into later on. The above video is for data purposes. Token development might transform from the expectations, and future advanced coins cost relies upon different variables. Subsequently, a precise long-haul value expectation is absurd in the digital money market, so put resources into Reef admirably. Own examination and a touch of venture guidance are suggested prior to taking a section. Where could I at any point purchase Reef? Reef is accessible at major crypto trades. It is recorded in concentrated trades like Binance, Huobi Worldwide, Gate.io, Bitfinex. In any case, Binance has the biggest number of matches. It is additionally accessible in decentralized trades, for example, 1inch and Uniswap. What amount will Reef be worth in 2030? According to our Reef conjecture, the typical cost of Reef is expected to be around 5 cents, with a most extreme cost of